Next, nervous system of earthworm. Earthworm nervous system consists of ganglia and nerve cord. Ganglia and nerve cord. Ganglia is formed by the group of cell bodies present in the peripheral nervous system is called ganglia. Group of cell bodies present in the peripheral nervous system is called ganglia. Ganglia, suprapharyngeal ganglia. This is suprapharyngeal ganglia or cerebral ganglia. Suprapharyngeal ganglia. Suprapharyngeal ganglia or cerebral ganglia or brain. Suprapharyngeal ganglia present in third segment and subpharyngeal ganglia present in fourth segment. These two ganglia are connected by circumconnectives. These two ganglia are connected by circumconnectives. These three forms nerve ring. Nerve ring is formed by suprapharyngeal ganglia, subpharyngeal ganglia, and circumconnectivities. These three forms nerve ring. These nerve rings surrounds the pharynx. So, in earthworm, nerve ring is called pharyngeal nerve ring, circumpharyngeal nerve ring. In cockroach, nerve ring surrounds the esophagus. In cockroach, nerve ring is called circumesophageal nerve ring. In cockroach, nerve ring is called circumesophageal nerve ring. But in earthworm, nerve ring is called circumpharyngeal nerve ring because nerve ring surrounds the pharynx. Brain and associated nerves in the nerve ring receives sensory impulse and controls the muscular movement of the body. If brain is removed in earthworms, the total muscular movement is absent in earthworms because the muscular movement is controlled by cerebral ganglia or brain. Nerve cord is double ventral nerve cord. Double ventral nerve cord present in all invertebrates. But in vertebrates, the nerve cord is dorsal region. The nerve cord is present in dorsal region. In invertebrates, the nerve cord is present in ventral region. Double ventral nerve cord is connected by segmental ganglia. Double ventral nerve cord is connected by segmental ganglia. These are segmental ganglia. Segmental ganglia starts from fifth segment to last segment. This is segmental ganglia. Segmental ganglia starts from fifth segment to last segment. The double ventral nerve cord bifurcates. The anterior region of the nerve cord bifurcates. And encircling and laterally encircling the pharynx. This is double ventral nerve cord. Anterior region of the double ventral nerve cord bifurcates, laterally encircle the pharynx and connects the cerebral ganglia to forms nerve ring. anterior region of the double ventral nerve cord bifurcates and laterally encircling the pharynx and connects with the cerebral ganglia to forms nerve ring. This nerve ring is circumpharyngeal nerve ring. But in cockroaches, the nerve ring is circumpharyngeal, circumesophageal, esophageal nerve ring, circumesophageal nerve ring present in cockroaches, circumpharyngeal nerve ring present in earthworms. The earthworm does not have specific sensory system. It does not have eyes, ears and head regions, but it has receptor cells. These receptor cells sensitive for stimulus of vibrations, like chemicals. Chemoreceptors are specialized chemoreceptors present in the earthworm. These are taste receptors. We also discuss about prostomium. Prostomium act as receptor. These receptors present anterior region of the body. Next, nerve ring present in the third segment and the fourth segment. Nerve ring present in the anterior region of the third segment and the fourth segment.